the graph shows how the 7th and 8th grade students at Wiley Junior High come to school each day. How many come by car? 166. How many 8th graders come by car? Excuse me. 100. How many 7th graders walk?
80.
How many 8th graders walk?
20.
How many 7th graders ride the bus?
20.
Good. How many 8th graders ride the bus?
20.
Wait. This is 240. And this is 220. Okay, there we go. All right. 240 and 220. I'm sorry, am I interrupting y'all's conversation with some education? I'll stop talking. How rude of me. What part of the 7th and 8th grade students walk to school? Oh, skirt. What did I forget to do? I forgot to add up the total. 120 plus 100 is what?
220.
220. 80 plus 120? No. 200. 240 plus 220. Okay, so that's by car, by walking, and by bus. Now I need all of them. 220. 200. And 460. I missed something. 240, 220, 120, 100. This is not 120 right here. This is 140. 500. This is 140.
240.
So this is 240. That's what happens when you listen to 7th graders. Excuse you. 0, 4 plus 6.
10.
Carry the 1. 9. 900 total. What part of the 7th and 8th grade students walk to school? What do I need? Who? Out of what? Then what? How many zeros? All of them. What's the size of decimal? 2 repeats. So what's the size of percent? Hello? What's the size of percent? 20. Go back to the 11, y'all. What?
22.2.
Thank you. 22.2. No, you said 2.2. Repeat. The number of students in 8th grade that ride the bus is what percent of the number of students in 7th grade that ride the bus? So 8th grade bus riders versus 7th grade bus riders. What's my fraction? Good. What do I get? What do I get? What do I need? How do I get that? Top in, bottom out. T-bow. Who goes in? Who goes out? How many times does 12 go into 110? Speak up. 9. 9 times 12? 108. 110 minus 108. Bring down the 12 into 20. 1 times 12. 20 minus 12. Bring down the 12 into 80. So this is about what percent? About what? Somebody rounded it perfectly. 92. "25 new students enroll at the school. 14 of them are 7th graders and they arrive by car. What percent of 7th grade students arrive at school by car?" Round your answer to the nearest percent. Okay, I've got to do a lot here. 7 car riders. What do I have to do? I do not have kindergartners in here, gentlemen. You're doing kindergarten stuff right now, instead of thinking about the question that Miss Starling just asked. Guys, this is not a sit and get class. We're not just copying this stuff down because I'm writing it down. You need to be thinking too. Because I'm not doing this for the test tomorrow. That's for sure. So, back to my question because y'all forgot about it already. What am I supposed to do? Add 14 to the car riders that are in what? That are in 7th grade. How many car riders are in 7th grade? What was it? 140? Because I messed this up several times. 140. So if I add 14 to that, what will I get? 154. Then what? I'm done? 154%? Out of what? Out of what? And out of 925. Why? Because those 25 kids enrolled in the school. Now what? Simplify. I don't know what goes into 154 off the top of my head. Hold, please. Okay, back on this question on number 9 on page 146 really quickly. I left y'all hanging yesterday because I couldn't think of
something. Oh, yeah.
I couldn't think of something. So I had 2/5 is what I needed, and I have 10 total letters, right?
Yeah.
So what was the probability that I gave y'all at first?
T vowel.
Okay, the probability of a vowel, because there were how many vowels?
4.
There were 4 vowels, and it simplifies to what? 2/5. Okay? So probability of a vowel is 4/10, which gives me 2/5. Cool. This is kind of snarky and smart alecky, but it works. So, what's the chance, or what is a vowel? A-E-I-O-U. What are the other letters called?
Consonants.
So, how would I manipulate this to still give me 4/10? Just with what I have A-R-I-T-H-M-E-T-I-C. How would I manipulate this to give me the same answer? I still want 4/10, and I still want 2/5. How else can I call what else would I call a vowel?
A-E-I-O-U.
What are the other letters called?
Consonants.
So what else would I call a vowel?
A non-consonant.
A non-consonant. So not a vowel. I'm sorry, not a consonant. Hello, Miss Sterling. Get it together. Non-consonants would still mean what?
Vowels.
Would still mean vowels. There we go. Still 4/10 and still 2/5. Does everybody see what I did there? How I manipulated those words and still got the answer that I needed. All right. Okay, I need another question that y'all need me to go over, explain, clear some confusion up. What's up?
You never answered 135 and 1.
Number 5 on 135?
No, number 1 on 135.
There's a video on this one though. Did anybody watch my videos?
No.
I saw the video.
Did I do this one?
I can tell you the answer to that.
Okay, let me go over it again. Okay, I have 35 letter tiles. Some consonants, some vowels. He selects a tile, Henry selects a tile without looking and then replaces it. If he pulls 3 consonants and 4 vowels, what's that? 7. And what is 35? A total as well. Which is most likely the number of consonant tiles in Henry's bag? What are they asking for?
Are you eating hello?
Okay, what's the chance of getting him getting a consonant? Then what goes on the other side? Where does 35 go?
On the bottom.
Cross multiply, then divide. Or figure out what you need to do 7 to get to 35 and then apply the do-do rule. Okay, what was another one? Yes. 166, number 7. I just did this one last period. It'll be posted tonight. I did not do V, Mrs. V. I also didn't do Mr. Markham. Page 166. It's Markham. The dot plot. The dot plot shows the number of siblings for each student in Mr. Markham's first period math class. 2 people have 0 siblings. How many people have 1? Page 166, number 8. How many people have 2 siblings? How many people have 3 siblings? And how many people have 4 siblings? We would say this is kind of symmetric because it's about the same on the left as it is on the right. But that's neither here nor there because they're not even asking for that. What percent of the students in Mr. Markham's class have more than 2 siblings? What should I have done with those dots? Added them up. How many do I have altogether?
16.
16 total. 16 goes at the bottom. What percent of the students in Mr. Markham's class have more than 2 siblings? What's more than 2?
3 and 4.
3 and 4, according to the table. Yes, 5 is more than 2, but according to the dot plot. 5. All right, so then I need a what? Percent or proportion. 5 out of 16, and what over what? X over 100. This is the time where I need 100 in my proportion. So what do I do?